Yo, what is up, YouTube? As y'all can see, we are back with another POV drop, man. I want to start by saying thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. We are finally at the 1K club, man. Content's gonna be going up from here. As y'all can see, the car needs a little wax on, wax off, but I'm gonna get to that. So as I've been telling y'all, my car was gonna go to the shop for the last few videos, and today is the day where I take my car in to get it fixed, and I'm gonna be in a rental. So hopefully the rental I can get maybe like a BMW. If I can get like another type of BMW, obviously I'm gonna keep dropping POVs. But if not, content gonna be postponed. I'm gonna drop shorts, so if y'all want to still tune into the videos, watch those shorts, I'm gonna still be making content, man. And yeah, I'm gonna be honest, this POV drive is probably gonna be more on the chill side. It's gonna be calm, not really doing too much. I ain't gonna be driving crazy or anything, but I just wanted to get a video out to y'all, thanking y'all for the 1K subscribers, and also just to give y'all another POV, man. I know y'all like the POVs, so the POV's been going crazy. We gonna try to keep doing more POVs, adding some cutting up, adding different cars, adding some people. We got a lot coming to the channel this year, bro. It's 2026. It's time to make moves. Let's get into the POV, man. I don't want to waste too much of y'all time. I appreciate all the love, man. I gained over 100 subscribers in the last 30 days. I just wanted to say that, bro. Appreciate all y'all for watching the video, hitting that like button. You know, you don't have to do that, man. It is free, but you don't got to do that. There's something, you took your time out your day to hit that subscribe button, man. Helping me out. So I'm gonna get back to y'all with the content and try to give y'all better content, bro. Since we hit 1K, we on the new things, better content, man. They already got Christmas trees. You can cut your own Christmas tree right here. I was gonna give y'all a POV in Hampton, but like the scenery is just too trash there, bro. Like it's like when I make videos in Hampton, I feel like it's just low quality. Like it's just terrible. Like I don't know, man. Like Hampton is just like, it looks so gray and dark and just gloomy. Like every day it's like raining or something. It's just sad out there. bro, I'm finally glad that this process is starting. Go ahead and get the car fixed up. Crazy bump, bro. That's a nice horse, man. Bro, did y'all see that, bro? That horse had a bucket stuck on his face. Gravel, but it's cool. Alright, YouTube, hopefully we get the car fixed today, which will happen. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know, leave a comment what you drive down below. What kind of BMW you got? what kind of car you got in general. And if you just watch just for the entertainment, or just for, you know, you just watch just to watch, also hit that like button, drop some down below. Appreciate y'all for watching the POV, man. We out.